Assalamu alaikum students, how are you today? We're on our last leg today. We are doing creative writing. Now, I want you to look through old magazines and newspapers for interesting rhyming words, like for instance, ot words or in words or ut words, okay? Like for instance, ot, hot pot with a dot, or Nan has a pan. So look at the newspapers, try and find words which have rhyming words. Cut them out. When you've cut them out, try and put them together. Now you can choose many different words. For instance, you know what? Yes, you know verbs, and verbs are action words or doing words, so you use them. You can even use adjectives. Okay, adjectives are very good describing words, so you can use those describing words. And once you've got that, supposing you want to find a poem, or you found the words yellow and bellow, shout and out. So what you're going to do is, if you've got yellow, bellow, shout and out, you can say there was a yellow fellow who was hitting the bellow. Yellow fellow hitting the bellows. Shouting out. Okay, things like that. What I want you to do is try and see what words are rhyming. Remember, the creative writing is something you're going to do. So we are going to look for words, any words which have rhyming in them, okay? Like I gave you the idea. Once you've got those rhyming words, try and add in some of your own adjectives or verbs and try and make it a poem. Once you've made it a poem, what you can do then is try and make a sentence out of it. Like for instance, if you found the word dish, wish, fish, we can make a sentence out of that. Now how would we make a sentence out of that? We could say, I wish for a dish of fish. Now we want to make it a bit lengthier. So how could we do that? Let's see. We could say, I like to eat, or I wish, because you're jumbling them up. We're also sequencing them. So first let's flood in all the words and the sentences. I wish for a dish full of fish. So you can say, one day as I was sitting, I was hungry and I wanted something that was yummy for my tummy. So I went to Mummy and asked her. I said, Mummy, I wish for a fish in my dish, or on my dish would be better. So, Mummy, I wish for fish on my dish. Can you see how we did that? So, I want you then to think of any words which you feel you can use as rhymes, add in any verbs, and then what we're going to do is sequence them and see what sentence goes where, and that is how we will do our creative writing. Okay, boys and girls? So, what I want you to do is to carry on, look at your work, check it. Please remember to write neatly. If you are typing, make sure you're spelling the words correctly. I know you're very good at spelling, but still, you want to build your word power, build your words bank, because later, yes, really? Good. Your teacher's asking you for spelling. That's good. And how are you doing the spellings? Very good. You're typing the spellings and sending them off. And how? Very good. That's amazing. Well done. So, what have you got to do for your self-task? Cut up the newspaper and magazines, look for good words, rhyming words, add your own words, the doing words, and the adjectives. Very good. Describing. Alright? And yes, you may type it. Yes, by all means, you can colour as well. Very good. So enjoy, and let's get started. Thank you, boys and girls. Bye.